Hello, in this video I want to show you how to open locked door in the house in front of Vermont in Dragon's Dogma 2. To do this, first you will need some ranged weapons. Okay, you will need some ranged weapons, and I opened it first time with my bow, but in this case I can use a different spell to actually open it as well. And there's the window on the other side. Now we just need to jump and attack, and with a bow it basically shut down the lock, and now I could enter it. But if you don't have any ranged weapons or this doesn't work for you, there's another way. So here when we enter the house, don't worry, I will show you how to enter it, but in the reverse kind of way. So there's this ladder that leads us down the tunnels, sewers or whatever. Now let's just get through them, because I will show you the cave on how to enter this sewer without the door. And here under the bridge, this let me show you on the map. Under this bridge you can find the passage and just get through it to open the door manually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.